Hey guys, I welcome you to my channel. My name is Amaka. In this channel of mine, I teach about relationships, sex and marriage. In my today's video, I'll be listing 5 fruits that you should consume as a man that will help you increase the size of your odogo. And I will also be telling you 2 things that you should not do. These 2 things shrinks your odogo. Now stay with me to the end. If this sounds like what you're interested in, do me a favor to subscribe, like, share and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. The number 1 fruit or food that you should always consume as a man is garlic. Don't joke with garlic. You can eat it raw or you can consume it when grated. That the grated one or the fresh one, like that, you can eat it. It's very good for you. Number 2, onions. The number 3 is spinach. The number 4 is orange. Number 5, bananas. And number 6, the watermelon. You see all these fruits, the fruits and food that I have mentioned now, they are very rich in vitamin C. They have citric acid. They have nitric acid, and this nitric acid is responsible for what? Blood flow, blood circulation. What your odogo needs to stand is for it to be able to have proper blood circulation. If it has good proper blood circulation, you will see your odogo standing firm. But once the blood is not circulating there very well, that is why you see it shrink, you see it's not standing. Most men will be complaining their odogo is not standing, they cannot perform very well. Most of the times, check what you eat. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. This is a natural way to make your odogo increase in size. Once you always practice this thing that I just told you, you will see that your odogo, it's not like your odogo is going to increase that much. It must increase an inch or more, especially when you do it regularly, and you see your performance in the other room will be very, very perfect. Like you will give your woman what she wants if you always eat these things that I ask you to eat. And number 2, the other 2 bad habits that some men exhibit that you need to stop if you really want to be performing well and you don't want your odogo to shrink. Stop smoking. For those men that smokes, stop it. Smoking damages the blood vessel, and when your blood vessel is damaged, it will not allow your odogo, it will not allow blood to pass through your odogo very well, and it will cause that place. That is why if blood is not circulating there very well, there is no how it will stand. So for those men that have the habit of smoking, stop it and come back and thank me later. The number 2 habit you need to stop is, if you are this kind of man that leave yourself that you're over too fat, check your weight. Always exercise. Always exercise. When you exercise, you see that your odogo that you feel it is small. It's not small. It is fat that is making it look like it is small. I do not want this video to be too long, but I might create the part 2 of this particular video if you want me to. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in my next video. I love you all.